Our customers love working with Shepherd. They don't have a bunch of additional applications they got to deal with. Hi, my name's Dave Anderson. I'm the business manager for Companion Animal Hospital in Lewisburg, Tennessee. I can't tell you one feature that I like about Shepherd. I'll tell you several. First of all, the overall functionality. It's great. I've looked at several systems. This is by far heads and shoulders above anything else that's out there. But what I really love about it is the integrations. I can integrate with other best-of-breed providers and get exactly what I want for the hospital without additional fees from Shepherd. I just pay the fees to the additional vendors that I'm integrating the system with. Also, the ease of use. Our team has found it extremely easy to use. Our doctor loves it, okay? And she's fairly critical of software, so she loves it. And finally, the last two things are cost. I find it to be extremely affordable to other systems that we had. And then updates. They come out with regular updates. They're good, they're solid, they don't cause you problems. It's continually being updated. So in my opinion, and I have experience in software development and implementation, it is by far the leader out there in the industry. If you take the time to set it up properly and really think about your decisions when you go through setup, you won't regret it. How has Shepherd made our workflow easier? Simple. The doctor used to have to go through all the steps of seeing the patient, coming up with the treatment plan, determining that, go through all the process of talking to the customer, and then after that's all over, she had to build the invoice. Well, with Shepherd, it's built. You see the patient, you administer the services or the treatments, and when you're done, that invoice is built and you're ready to check out. I can tell you how it's helped us grow our practice. We're able to communicate with our customers right now the way they want to be communicated with. I can send text messages, I can send emails, they can go back and forth, they can send us pictures, we can look at it and tell them whether they need to come in to the office or not. Our customers love working with Shepherd. They don't have a bunch of additional applications they got to deal with. As far as providing better service to the patient, that's a no-brainer. Whenever you save money and time during your treatments, you're providing better care to the patient just by being able to spend more time with them and less time building an invoice and figuring out how to use the software. How does Shepherd stand out from other pieces of software that we've used? First of all, it's much faster. Secondly, it's a whole lot more user-friendly. Third, it has a better client interface. Fourth, it's reliable. Fifth, they provide updates on a regular basis that add real value to the hospital, to the client, and to the patient. My advice is simple. Do not look at any other package. Do not make a decision to purchase any other solution until you have thoroughly looked at Shepherd. You will regret it in the long run if you do. I looked at several. I looked at 5 before we decided we were going to go with Shepherd. And my advice is simple. Take your time to think through the setup. Listen to your consultant that walks you through the setup and through the implementation. Do what they ask you to do. Do your homework. You're going to have a great solution. We do.